In this video, I'm doing a couple cosmetic upgrades on the bike. Super simple, easy, and affordable. So one of the things that drives me crazy with this bike, as you can see, it's all blacked out trim. But Harley still from the factory puts chrome saddlebag latches on it. So got these off Amazon. They're just direct replacement black latch handles. They're super affordable. I also have black docking hardware covers. What I like about these over some of the other options out there is that they come in two different lengths. So there's a short one and a long one. A lot of the kits you see are 4 sets of short ones, and if you try to put a short one on the front here, it doesn't cover the whole thing, and you still have chrome. So I like this kit. I had the same kit on my 2014 Street Glide in chrome, and they worked great. So I went ahead and got them in black for this bike. The one thing about these that it's super easy to fix is if you look inside, there's a magnet in there. And sometimes it will stay on the bike when you take the covers off. You can just put a little bit of epoxy on there around the inside of that magnet and problem solved. So that's that. Those were super easy. Looks a lot cleaner now. And then we'll move on to the latch installs. Okay, I have you set up here the best as I can so you can see what I'm doing. There's just one screw that holds this in. It's a Torx T20. The new screw for the new latch is also a T20. So all you need is a ratchet and a T20 bit. So go ahead and break that loose. And then just pop the handle out of the top. You'll notice the old handle has a rubber grommet here on it. The new handle also comes with a O-ring. So none of this will be reused. I've got the new handle here, slide the O-ring on. Notice that there's flat spots and a little tab on this where it goes into the actual locking mechanism. So make sure you line it up correctly when you insert it in the lid. Insert that. Make sure your screw has the lock ring washer on it. Thread that back in. And snug it down. Okay, so it's that easy. As you can see, it's super simple. I'm going to do the other side, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so there you go. Got the docking hardware covers on. We've got the black saddlebag latch handles. I think it looks a lot better, and this whole thing is less than 50 bucks. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one.